Hello and welcome. This is Roy. First, I want to wish you happy Easter. Hope you have good rest. And I'm sharing with you this time two clips taken from a long video, very long, 89 minutes video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. I cover many markets, and I am covering in this long video some very long-term patterns, and this is an opportunity for you to catch up, if you like, with what is evolving in some markets on the very long-term scale. So I'm working through from the monthly, which is often extending over 3 or 4 decades, basically all the price data that I can have on a certain chart, and then I drill down to the weekly, daily, hourly, and I discuss the opportunities, and I discuss the prospects for continuation of the trend or resumption of the trend, etc. You can see all this very detailed video plus others if you just take a trial. You try out my service for 1 week. You can pay with PayPal, Moneybookers, or Payza. That'll give you an access for 7 days. And by the end of that time, I think you will have a pretty good idea if and how my service can help you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'll be talking to you again after the clips end concerning my website and my services. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing, and bye now. I wish a good break to everyone. Take a chance to relax a bit, and now I'll go with the charts. I've got here a long list, and that is the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the US dollar Danish krona, the euro Canadian dollar, the euro Singapore dollar, the euro Chinese yuan, Australian dollar US dollar, Australian dollar British pound, the euro Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, British pound US dollar, British pound Swiss franc, the euro British pound Singapore dollar, British pound Canadian dollar, British pound Taiwanese dollar, and then gold, silver, light crude, the Dow Transportation Average, the Dow, the S&P 500, the S&P 400, the Russell 2000, the DAX, the FTSE of the UK, the Greek Composite Index, the Chinese Securities Index, and I'll terminate the video with a look at the stock quoted in the US. It's a Greek stock called Diana Shipping. Now this is an interesting chart. Look, this is the S&P 400 midcap. And again, we're looking for a correction to the rally that began from here. That's mid-November. Do you see? We had a clear 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. I think it's done. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. We have stretched it as much as we can. Momentum is not there. Momentum is not there, as you can see. And now you'll see something interesting. I'm going to the 60 minutes. So I had here 1, 2, 3, 4 sweep, clear triangle. And I'll take you to the 15 minutes. Just look at that. Does that not look to you complete? That's the triangle. Triangle looks very convincing to me, you see. Very convincing, and it looks like it ended here. Nice thrust. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Looks to me complete. So if I were to go by this chart, and that's the S&P 400 cash, wait for a break under this. Breaking through that, next time it breaks, that's where you want to sell with 2 hands. That is the top that we've been waiting for now for several weeks. That will be that top. We'll get such a pattern, start selling, and stay short. Okay, the last chart that I've got in this long video is a chart of a stock that I covered in the past. It's called Diana Shipping. It's a Greek company, shipping company, that is quoted in the US, DSX symbol. It's got good dividend, good fundamentals. I covered it quite a long time ago, on several occasions actually, when it was around here, and I claimed that we have an end to the descent. To the descent that began here. In fact, that is reflecting also the deterioration in the Greek index itself. Okay, so that's an A, that's a B. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. That's the end. That's the end. We had a clean, taking the stops from here. And since then, it's been recovering very nicely. That's the weekly scale. Show you the divergence over weekly scale sees, there it says divergence here, and it is still pointing up. It is looking very healthy. Look at this, looking very healthy. And when you see the pattern itself, you will see that there is every reason to believe that the rally is likely to continue, and that's good news. That's good news for the world economy. If shipping is improving, that's good news. Here's the line of resistance. You can see how it blasts above this, and I have tested daily now, and I've spotted several levels of resistance here. I think I covered it when it was around here, and look what happened. Incredible. So it sits very nicely with this 1 2 1 2 3 4 3. If we see some consolidation now, it run up basically from under 6. It's now coming close to doubling. Yes, and you had very good dividend around here. The dividend is still looking okay. So this is a situation that you might want to study further. Again, this is a Greek stock. So when you see such performance from a Greek stock that is representing one of the biggest portions of the Greek economy, the shipping industry, this is optimistic. This is optimistic. I don't see anything bearish here. There is nothing bad here, and I think that the momentum and the strength and the pattern is telling me there is plenty more upside coming. So that is looking good. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you find it useful. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now. Here presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs a modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of, which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list. Highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up with, it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition. That's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. Like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, AlertPay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these 2 addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link, and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I've also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and And that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.